What is up, my dudes? It's me, Gabriel, once again, and welcome back to another Pizza Tower episode. So, today, we're finally trying out the noise update. Finally, dude. It's about time I try out the noise update. I know I'm super late, but we can finally try it out now. So, what are we waiting for? Let's just begin this already, shall we? Whoa! Okay, some chaos just happened. Alright, some chaos just happened here. Okay. But anyways, now we finally get to play as the noise, my dudes. I'm super excited to begin to start the series, man. Alright, let's see. Alright. Let's see. Ooh! Alright, the noise has a higher super jump, I guess. Yeah, it has a higher super jump. Okay. Alright, you know what, guys? Yeah, let's play the tutorial level. Like, I'm aware that the noises controls are kind of different, so let's just play the tutorial level and try to learn how to play as the noise. Okay, the tutorial level already begins being kind of different. Okay, yeah, I can see the John Pillar section here. Okay, so yeah, the noises controls are very different. This is already it. It's okay. This tutorial level is much shorter than the Pepino tutorial level. Alright, and I've already unlocked all the all the last two portals, so... Alright, let's begin our journey with John Gooder. Oh hey, we got some noise stickers. Oh. Even the song has changed, I like this. Okay. Even the John Gooder song has changed. Alright. Yeah. Noise is calling. Pick it up. Fuck, I messed it up. Yeah, we know this. We know this is a super taunt thingy. Wait, no. Oh, okay, yeah. Ouch. Awesomeness. This is pure awesomeness, dude. And instead of running, we just have to drive a skateboard. Yeah, we just have to run. Oh, cool. We just have to ride on a skateboard, apparently. Okay, it's gonna be a little difficult for me to get used to. Okay, let's restart the level. I broke the combo. Ooh! Okay, hold on. If I press the jump key, the Z key, and the up key... No. Oh my god. Hold on. Okay, if I press and hold shift, if I press and hold shift and press the jump key and the wait, what? How do I make this movement? I don't know how I did that thing, but okay. Okay. See, I've done it again. Hold on. Okay, I must... Okay, so to do this, I must double press the Z key and then press the up key. So when I am in the air, I must press the Z key and the up key at the same time so that I can do this. All right, got it now. All right. Okay. Ah! Don't slip. Don't slide on these. Don't slip on these banana peels. Okay. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh wait. What? Did the noise just clone himself or something? Okay, yeah, so the noise cannot do wall climbing, so I must do wall jumping instead. No! What am I doing? Hold on. Oh God, yeah, it's super hard to play as the noise, dude. Oh shit, alright. Alright, time to get to the John Pillow section. It's pizza time! Yeah! Ooh! We got a different song. We got a different song for the It's Pizza Time section. Oh hey, I see noise set over there. Whoa. I can already hear the banger incoming. What the fuck? Yeah, I remember. Yeah, there's a secret over here. Right, here we go. Woo! This is pretty good. Oh my God. I see a noise sign over there. No. Yeah, there's another secret over here. Oh my God, am I seriously already running out of time, dude? Oh my God. Okay. Alright, we got our first achievement here, which is the John's Goated achievement. Come on, come on, noise. Just go. Now we must get the 99 combo. I wonder what the second last song is going to be. Alright, let's see. Got the B rank. This one's gonna be pretty good, I bet. This one's gonna be pretty good. Oh my God. Okay, I got only 50 seconds left. Alright, come on. Woo! Yeah! Yeah, pretty good. Come on, noise, let's get the heck out of here. No. Oh, come on. Stupid John block. No, yes. Oh God. 30 seconds. No! Come on, noise! Come on! We must get out of here. No. God, I suck at the noise. No! Crap, Pizza Face is coming! Come on! Run, noise! Run! Ouch! Get the fuck out of here. Please, noise, get out. Yes! Woo! Finally, we did it. Oh my God, that was hard. Ooh, nice P-rank screen you got there. Holy crap! All right. The noise just fell. Oh my God. Oh shoot. 7 damage. Okay. I really sucked so bad, but at least we got our first 2 achievements and our first P rank. Now we gotta do the... We gotta beat the level in under 2 minutes now. No, don't follow me. Don't. Why are you following me all the way over here? Oh, I became a rocket! Holy crap, I just noticed in the Mach 4 animation, I literally just become a rocket. How did I not make it? What the fuck? I'm literally doing this. I'm literally doing this as fast as I can. Why can't I get why can't I beat the level in under 2 minutes? It does not make any sense. How can I beat this level in under 2 minutes? Are you kidding me right now? No, you fuck. Just do it. Just go. Just do it. Just do it. Ah! No! I'll waste your time. Please. No, don't. Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank God I finally did it. Oh my God. Oh, shit. Finally, God. Oh my God. Finally. It's about time, man. It's about time. Alright, just completed our first level now. Huh, finally, dude. Finally. No. Let me change the timer type. Yeah. Timer type per se. Alright, now we can finally get to the second level, and oh god, out of all levels, it has to be the fucking Pizza Escape level. I hate this level. Like, this level is just so fucking hard. I think it's literally the hardest level in the entire floor 1, in my opinion. Alright, let me kill this guy over here. Oh yeah, I forgot I have the Fortnite's achievement too. Hold on. Okay, the Pizza Escape level song didn't change. Yeah, it didn't change. Yeah, the Pizza Escape song is still the same. Come on, I pressed the C key. Why did you not carry the Fortnite? Oh shit, how did I even do this? Whatever. Oh, come on, what? Yeah, I must do something else here. Alright, got the achievement already. Let's go. Let's see. Okay, yeah, the controls are the same. Oh, and I cannot bump, wall. I cannot even bump on the wall to get an achievement also. Hold on. This level is so fucking problematic. Ooh! I became a donut! Alright, that's funny, that's funny. Oh my god, I don't know what happens if I bump on the wall. With the noise, I just know that if I bump on the wall, I'm gonna lose an achievement, so I gotta be careful. Oh yeah, the night form mechanic seems to be the exact same mechanics, Alright. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. The Pizza Escape song is still the same. It didn't change. For now, the only level that changed its theme song. It was only the jungle level that changed. Ooh, okay, managed to get this right. Yeah, I can also ground pound to avoid bumping on the walls. Oh, I just unlocked new clothes for the noise. That's cool. Okay, what the fuck? What the fuck? No! Are you fucking kidding me right now? I did the fuck. I just did the fucking wall jumping and it did not work. What the fuck? Are you joking with me right now? Seriously? At least I got the spherical and spoon knight achievement, and I got new clothes. So now, yeah, just gotta do the shiny armor achievement. But I swear I kept on spamming the jump key and also I kept on spamming the X key and the fucking I kept on spamming I spam pressing the goddamn Z key and X key, and the noise didn't even fucking wanna wall jump. Like, what the fuck is wrong with him? Like this, why is wall jumping not even working for me anymore? Like, why is the wall jumping not working for me anymore? Alright, this time I'm not gonna try to wall jump. I'm just gonna try to. I'm not gonna try to wall jump with the skateboard. I'm just gonna. Yeah, just gonna do this. And there we go. Now we can continue our journey. No! Ah! Oh, what the fuck on noise? Why do you take so long to do everything? You are worse than Peppino, dude. I swear to God. I swear to freaking God. You are way worse than Peppino. On God. Okay, now don't kill those cheese slimes. Yeah, now kill them. Now I saved more time to save my combo. There we go. No, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not going to. Okay. You sick idiot! What are you doing? Okay, yeah, get Jerome. Get your ass over here, Jerome. Alright, I got the final achievement for this level. Let's go. No. Don't you dare noise to do dumbass shits. No. Are you kidding me right now? I wasted time again. I just don't know how to play as the noise yet. But yeah, whatever. Why did you come back, Fortnite? Okay, at least I killed you. My God, I don't think I can make it in time. Became a donut once again. Alright, now we only need to get the P rank because we got all the achievements now. No. Alright, got the P rank, y'all. Come on, we are running out of time. Come on, Noise, just do it. Come on, you can do it, Noise. We just gotta get out of here, and the P rank is ours. "20 seconds left. Come on. Hurry up, Noise!" No. Yes. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Yes! Woohoo! Finally! God. Finally got rid of this stupid problematic level. Ah. Good. Alright, now next up is Asian cheese level. Hold on. Come to Noiset for hugs and kisses. No thanks. Not right now. Why did you want to shoot yourself, Noise? Whatever. Alright, next up is Asian cheese. Alright, here we go. Asian cheese. Ah, no, ah! Come on, Noise. How am I even gonna get on these platforms if the Noise just keeps on doing what he's not even supposed to do? Okay, there we go. No. Oh, fuck you, Noise. Fuck you. Not again! Again in the same place! Are you kidding me, Noise? I can't do the fucking movement of that. I can't do the freaking movement that I'm doing right now. I just can't do the freaking movement. Stop! Stop! Dumbass! I've had enough already. I've had enough. Stop doing the wrong movement! Dumb! Fuck! Stinky controls. Like, Noise's controls stink. It really does. It's stinky. Like, goddamn. Okay. Wait, touch the rat? Oh, it's much easier to get the achievement where I cannot get hurt by any bomb. All right. Yeah, this makes the wait, what's it called? The Thrill Seeker achievement much easier. Get your ass back here. Alright, there we go. Oh, thank God. Don't mess this up, don't mess this up. No! Are you kidding me? Why did I take it off? When I get above it, can I take it off? What the fuck? Okay, I take it back. This mechanic sucks ass. This new mechanic sucks ass, dude. It's gonna make it much harder for me to get the fucking Thrill Seeker achievement. Are you actually kidding me now? This is bullshit. This is big bullshit. At least it doesn't count as getting hurt by the bomb when I have to touch the damn rat, you know. No! Why did you kill the enemy? Now I can't get the achievement for killing a rat with a bomb thrown by an enemy. Oh my freaking god. Okay, got it. There we go. Our first achievement is done. Yeah, I must press the X key to get the bombs. Oh my god. Oh. Yes, there we go. Thank you. What the fucking guy? What the fuck was that guy's face? Anyways. Why are you going to eat a bomb for dinner, Noise? The heck? No, save it, please. Alright, thank you. Yippee! Woohoo! Ow! I like the sound effect. Alright! We got to the John Killer section. Alright. Yeah, we got almost 3 minutes to skate. Yeah, come on, just do it. No! 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 Ah, noise! I hate your noise! Why? Ah! Why noise? It always has to be this fucking part! Always! Has to be this fucking part. You sick son of a bitch! Most problematic part ever. Not again in the same place! How do I make it? I'm done, dude. I'm done. How am I supposed to do this? If the fucking noise key just keeps on oh my god. I wanna fucking die. No, what are you doing, man? Stop! Okay, we got it. Okay. I know we still have the lap too, but at least we got it. We got it the first lap. Alright. What you? Let's go. Why are you so slow? Okay, there we go. Tier rank, my dudes. It's slack 2 time now. Yeah, I don't have to use the bomb again. Okay, got an achievement at least. Ah! We got it! We got it again! We got it! Yes! We got it! Ooh, that was super close, dude. I almost lost the fear range for that. Ah. Go. Get me out of this hellhole, please. Let's go! Oh god, finally, we got Asian shoes done. And we also got the achievement for completing the level without getting hit by a single bomb. Alright, just one more P rank. Yeah, I mean, just one more level and we can... Yeah. Just one more level and we can get to the first boss fight. What is up, my dudes? It's me, Gabriel from the future once again. And I have some bad news. I'll sadly not be able to show you guys me playing the Bloodsus dungeon level for this video. I'll sadly have to cut it off. Cut it out and show it in the part 2. Wanna know why? Well, it's literally because this level took me 4 fucking hours to get it done. Yes, guys, I'm not fucking kidding. It took me 4 fucking hours to get Bloodsus Dungeon as the noise done. Like, I've suffered a lot, and I've struggled a lot to peer rank Bloodsus Dungeon and to get all the achievements on that level as the noise. So this is gonna be all for today's video, but don't worry, I'm still gonna be showing you guys the rest of the gameplay, but this is going to be in a part 2 of this series. So for the part 2, I'll be showing you guys me playing the Bloodsus dungeon level and the Peppermint boss fight, so that I will not have to upload a big ass video for the part 1. I hope this is understandable for you guys, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye. Oh my god, please end this suffering already!